programmer. Important MCQ questions. Topic 2, Software Analysis and Design. What is the main purpose of software analysis and design? Option B, to understand and specify what is the software will do. What does the term software architecture refer to? Option B, the structure and organization of the software system. Which of the following is the first phase of the software development life cycle? Option C, requirement analysis. What is a UML diagram used for in software design? Option B, to illustrate system architecture and design. What does the term functional decomposition mean? Option B, breaking down a software system into smaller manageable functions. What is the role of a class diagram in software design? Option C, to represent the classes, their attributes and relationships. In object-oriented design, what is an object? Option C, an instance of a class. What is the purpose of a sequence diagram in UML? Option B, to show the interaction between objects over time. What is a use case in software analysis? Option C, a scenario representing a system's behavior from a user's perspective. Which design principle focuses on making components independent and reusable? Option C, modularity. What is an algorithm in software design? Option A sequence of instructions to perform a task. What does the term encapsulation mean in object-oriented design? Option A, hiding the internal state and requiring all interaction to be performed through methods. What is a state diagram used for in software design? Option B, to depict the states an object can be in and the transitions between those states. What is the difference between functional and non-functional requirements? Option A, functional requirements describe system behavior while non-functional requirements define system qualities. Which of the following is a non-functional requirement? Option A, the system must support 500 concurrent users. What is a component diagram in UML? Option C, a diagram that illustrates the system's components and their relationships. In a context of software design, what is abstraction? Option A, hiding the complex reality while exposing only the necessary parts. What is a flow chart used for in software design? Option B, to show the flow of control in a system or process. What does a collaboration diagram in UML illustrate? Option A. How objects collaborate with each other. What is a design pattern in software engineering? Option A. A pre-designed piece of code for common tasks. What is meant by the term cohesion in software design? Option B. The degree to which the elements of a module or class are related. What is the role of the design phase in software engineering? Option B. To plan and outline how the software will meet the requirements. Which of the following is an example of a design tool? Option A. Visual paradigm. What is the main goal of refactoring in software design? Option C. To restructure existing code without changing its behavior. What does the open closed principle refer to in design? Option C. A system should be open to both modification and extension. What is the purpose of a context diagram in system design? Option A. To show the overall system and its interactions with external entities. In software design, what is coupling? Option A. The degree of dependency between different modules or components. Which of the following best describes inheritance in object oriented design? Option A. A class can inherit properties and behaviors from another class. What is the key benefit of using design patterns in software design? Option B. To standardize the design approach for common problems. What does a data flow diagram illustrate in software design? The data input, processing, and output within a system. What is the primary goal of software design? Option B. To define how the software will be built and structured. What is the definition of abstraction in software design? Option A. Hiding unnecessary details and showing only essential features. What is the purpose of a component diagram in UML? Option B. To show the system's components and how they interact. Which of the following is an advantage of using object oriented design? Option B. Encourages code reuse through inheritance. In object oriented design, what is a class? Option A. A template for creating objects. What is a module in software design? Option B. A collection of related classes or functions. What is a deployment diagram in UML used to model? Option A. The deployment of components and their physical locations. What does the term design validation refer to? Option A. Ensuring that the software meets user requirements. What is the purpose of concurrent design in software development? Option B. To allow multiple teams to design different parts of the system simultaneously. What is the main focus of the behavioral design phase? Option B. To module the interactions between system components. What is the purpose of interface design in software development? Option A. To define how users interact with the system. In software analysis, what is a functional requirement? Option A. A description of system behavior. What is the difference between user interface design and interaction design? Option A. UI design focuses on the visual layout. Interaction design focuses on user system communication. What is the first step in the software design process? Option B. Requirement gathering. What is a data dictionary in software design? Option B. A repository of data definitions including names, types, and relationships. What does the solid principle refer to in software design? Option A. A set of design principles for creating clean, maintainable code. What does the single responsibility principle suggest? Option A. A class should have only one reason to change. In software design, what is a database schema? Option B. The structure that defines how data is stored and accessed in a database. What is the purpose of risk analysis in software design? Option A. To evaluate potential issues that could impact the system's development or performance. Which of the following is an example of a system design model? Option A. Flowchart.